Now let us try to understand what is meant by the price. Okay, so you will see that many places they will say that bond is trading at a clean price or a bond is trading at a crude price. So what we have is there are different type of conventions which are available in the market. Bond is trading at the full price. So what is the full price for a bond? What we have is bond typically, so think about it. Okay, so we'll try to understand the concept. Let's say a bond was issued on 1st of January. Okay, and the bond will pay coupon every 6 months. So the next coupon it will pay on 1st of July. Okay, then after that it will pay a coupon on 1st of January. Okay, you bought the bond over here. You bought the bond over here. Now what is happening is you are selling the bond today. So let's say you are selling a bond on, let's say, 10th of February. Okay, now when you are selling the bond, will you get this coupon? The bond will pay coupon over here and the bond will pay coupon over here. When you sell the bond, will you get this coupon? You will not get this coupon, because the coupon will be given to that person only who is holding the bond on that day. So the person who is holding the bond on that day, he will get the coupon. So that means you have invested in this bond for this period, which is like you are not getting any benefit, right? But what happens is there is a concept of what is known as accrued interest. So in this period you are accruing some interest. So interest is being accrued. So when you sell the bond, okay, you have different way to get the price. So typically you will get the accrued interest, okay, but the bond which are trading in the market, the bond they are trading in the market what is known as a clean price. That means the value of the bond which you see does not consider the value of your accrued interest. So whatever the accrued interest for this period, clean price does not consider. Okay. Another case is when you have what is called as a full price. Full price, we say it includes the accrued interest. Okay. So when the price of the bond it includes the accrued interest, it is called as a full price. When the price of the bond does not include the accrued interest, it is called as a clean price. Okay. So full price is also called as dirty price. So think about opposite of clean. Opposite of clean is dirty. So full price, when the price of the bond includes the accrued interest, it is full price. Clean price, it does not include the accrued interest, it is known as clean price. So what we have is, we have this formula, full price equal to clean price plus accrued interest.